Hi 4th grade students, my name is Miss Butcher and today in geometry we will be covering the concept of symmetry. The lesson's purpose is to demonstrate understanding of what a line of symmetry is, recognize line of symmetric figures, and to master the skill of drawing lines of symmetry. Now what exactly is a line of symmetry? A line of symmetry is when you can reflect a figure over a line and the figure appears unchanged. Therefore, it is symmetrical as well. Here are a few examples with two-dimensional symmetrical shapes. There's a triangle cut right down the middle, as you can see, where both sides are exactly the same. That is where you flip it over the line and the figure appears unchanged. There's also a rectangle that has two lines of symmetry. This can happen because the figure can be symmetrical in more than one way. The figure can be symmetrical horizontally, which is where the line goes left to right, and it can also be symmetrical vertically, which is up and down. Both ways, the figure, when flipped, are the exact same on both sides. You can see lines of symmetry in your everyday life. You may not even realize it. Here are some real-world examples that I have attached onto the slide. I would like each person in the classroom to take a chance to see if they could find the line of symmetry in these objects. When you think you are ready, please raise your hand and we are going to select 4 volunteers to come up to the front of the classroom to draw a line of symmetry on these figures. Please pause the video here and on your piece of paper, show where a line of symmetry is in a starfish, in a butterfly, in a leaf, and in a tire. Now that we're all gaining a better understanding about what shapes are symmetrical, I would like to teach more about what shapes aren't symmetrical. At this time, I would like to pick a few volunteers with their hands raised in the air to come up on the smartboard and to draw, with a pen tool, a line of symmetry on each of the objects. If we cannot find a line of symmetry on the objects, we'll discuss why, or why not, they are symmetrical. That way we can all understand more that not everything is symmetrical. There are shapes that don't have lines of symmetry, and there are shapes that have many lines of symmetry. We will now be able to distinguish which shapes are in each of those categories. Now that we've completed the activity where you can see where lines of symmetry are in your everyday life, I would like everyone to see where they can find a line of symmetry in the classroom. You may already have some in mind. I would like you to take your one-to-one device, such as an iPad, and take 5 minutes to go around the classroom to find at least 3 objects that you think are symmetrical. Please pause the video here and take pictures of 3 items. And return back to your seat when you're finished. Great job taking pictures! Please share with your small group that you are sitting in and decide if the objects you have taken pictures of are or are not symmetrical. Please pause the video here. When you've completed sharing with your group, please find Miss Butcher and check with her if your line of symmetry is correct. Then we will move on to the next activity. Now we will be using our line of symmetry skills to assess if the objects on the board are symmetrical or are not symmetrical. Please take out a piece of paper and I would like you to number it numbers 1 through 4. Once you have completed that, please look on the board and write yes, an object is symmetrical, or no, if the object is not symmetrical. Thank you all for participating in this fun lesson. We will connect more on this topic in future lessons. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Bye.